I can do anything you can do better. I can do anything better than you.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Don't you love yellow? Don't you love mint green? What did you talk about? You love all the colors.
What's that?
You love all the colors.
What do you want to say?
What you said every day. And you love the mint, you love the, you know, the
What's
lemon.
over there? Very nice bushes, well tended to.
I want to go in, I want to get some wasabi nuts
Wasabi nuts?
at the
This place?
Organic Earth. I saw them the other day. Oh, I'm a snow. I'm a snow beast.
Oh dear, it's bad.
Look. What are these good to? Does anyone actually buy these?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, are they good? Did you try them? Are they hot, you think? They look like so much wasabi on them.
Oh yeah.
You could kill a horse. I'll try it.
Okay, I'll
I'll let you know.
Okay, sure.
Look at these. Look at all the wasabi on them.
Whoa. Wait, what are they?
Wasabi.
Well, they're
nuts.
peanuts.
Yeah.
Wasabi coated peanuts.
Is this made today?
Today's the
27. Crispy gizzard.
28th.
Oh, 28? Okay, okay. Old, which means it's marinated, right? Try.
Oh no, today's 27th.
Is it?
Yeah.
I might get one of these salads too then. Give me a kale salad. Well, this is 27, right?
Oh, it is.
Yeah. I like these. They're kind of spicy. I had one
It was
before.
the kale?
Yeah, it's really good.
It's only $2.
I know. And it's not bad. You want to get a bread or not?
Is that big?
You want to get a bread or not?
Well, they don't look good.
Nothing left, eh? Excuse me. Maybe I'll get a kombucha. Kombucha. Yeah. Well, I shouldn't come in here when I'm hungry. See, they use margarine in the cookies. Well, what do you think those are good? The cinnamon buns look good? I like your honesty. Hello.
Do you need a bag?
Ah, no, that's all good. I'll use cash. Thank you. Did you want anything? Okay. You can always go back. That's when I offer.
Would you like some seats?
No, that's all good. Thank you. Have a good one. Thank you. Yeah, I offer when we get home.
Yeah, exactly. Oh my God.
Looks like it's kind of slowing down.
What's going on, babe?
I'm gonna put this in a bag. I thought I brought my big white bag. Did it fall out?
How would that happen?
I hope not. Do you want a coffee?
Sure.
Here you go. Whatever that can get you.
Thanks, babe.
It's like 5
You
cents
treat me
short. I'm
real
like,
shit today.
it's like 5 cents short. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, exactly.
You better ask somebody on the street.
Yeah.
I only got
Stuff
this
my money up.
this wallet full of cash. I can't.
Oh yeah, exactly. You got a bed and plenty to do.
Yeah, right. Oh, don't you remember me having my nice beach bag on me? Don't you remember me having my nice big white beach bag stuffed in my pocket? Wouldn't you see that? It's gone. Time to go home. I gotta find it. Alright, that's enough videos for right now.